Papa Tom was actually, when he was Prime Minister, a very difficult man to deal with. He was known to be quite erratic and he could be quite aggressive.
It's important for our people to know their history. If you don't know your culture and you don't know your past, what have you got?
I hope he'll always be remembered, and he should be, for his achievements. He grew up in colonial times, and despite the handicaps that gave to so many of our own people.
The Maori was always wrong, the Papa'a was always right.
I mean, I knew that he was the Prime Minister and that he was a doctor and some kind of big deal.
But when I heard that he worked on the Apollo mission for NASA...
In Parliament, they made jokes about it as the monkey man because I put some monkeys in space.
We followed the stars to new lands, and then he joined NASA and helped send man to the stars.
One giant leap for mankind.